Now is your chance to purchase 552 plus or minus acres in Weld County, Colorado, selling in 2 tracts on our unreserved online auction, October 10th. Bidding opens September 26th. Tract 1 offers 234.95 plus or minus acres, with a charming ranch-style home built in the early 1950s. This 2-bedroom home features wood siding, a steel roof, a cozy living room with a stone fireplace, and a large picture window overlooking wildlife. The kitchen includes modern appliances, ample counter space, and beautiful wood floors. A 12x12 guest cabin also sits on the property. Outdoors, you'll find a Quonset with heated floors, cattle yards, a lofting shed, and corrals. The property includes 3 wells, a windmill, a house well supplying livestock, and a third that's shut off. A well house and native grass pastures complete this beautiful ranch. Tract 2 is 318 plus or minus acres. This tract is all grass, with average fences, and is located close to the main ranch house. For more information, contact the listing agents or visit bigiron.com.